Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, go.
Okay. Sa pagre-register po sa BPI application natin, first you need to go to Play Store or App Store kung naka-iPhone po kayo. Pag naka-Android naman po is Play Store. Make sure po ang Android po natin na gamit is Android version 10. And for iPhone naman po or iOS, make sure po ang gamit natin is iOS 16. Okay? I mean, hindi po yung cellphone. iOS 16 version po sa Android naman or iOS. So first, we will download BPI. Just type BPI, search. Okay, you will see this icon. Then install it. While installing, make sure your number is STC, Mobile, Lebara, Virgin, or other networks. Wag lang po Zain, Jawi, Yakult, Red Bull. Those networks po kasi are considered as local SIM card dito sa Saudi. Okay? Now we already downloaded it. Then open po natin. Second reminder po, for BPI users, make sure before downloading the BPI app, make sure yung SIM card natin ay may regular load balance, at least 1 real. And naka-insert po siya sa phone na kung saan nyo din-download yung BPI ninyo. Secondly, kung naka-dual SIM po, pakitanggal muna yung isang SIM card na hindi naka-register sa BPI. Okay? Now, let's proceed. So, pagka-open nyo po ng BPI application, next nyo lang po yan. Okay? Then, get started. Close nyo lang po yan. Then, click create new account. If you already have a BPI account, okay? Then, register to the app. I understand. Select product. If you have deposit account, you click deposit account. Then, type the account number. So, i-blur na lang po namin yun dito. Make sure po i-click natin itong calendar po dito sa gilid. Okay. Then, there's a solve the math question. May mathematical question po dyan. Madali lang po yan. Then, answer it. Now, it will show welcome to BPI. Please nominate your username and password. Then, continue. Ano pangalan niya? So, gagawa po kayo ng username ninyo. Make sure po na unique po yung gagawin ninyo. Letters and numbers lang po. For the password naman po, meron naman po tayong guide dyan. Meron nakalagay 1 lowercase character, 1 uppercase character, 1 number, 1 special character, and minimum of 8 characters. So, gawa tayo ng sample na password. So, ulitin lang natin yung password na ginawa natin dito. Make sure may uppercase, lowercase, then email address. Then, after putting your email address, click nyo lang po yung agree. Then, click submit. You will wait for the OTP. Okay, you will receive the OTP. Type nyo lang po yung OTP na receive natin. Then, once na-create na po, login nyo lang po. Make sure po na parehas po ang ilalagay ninyo, yung uppercase, lowercase, dun sa username and password para hindi po kayo ma-disable. Once logged in, you will see a register your device. Begin lang po. Then, pag dito po, nakikita ninyo hindi ma-continue. So, first, you need to click this message. Secure SMS to this number. Select this option if the SIM card inserted in this device, nabanggit ko po kanina. You will need to send an SMS from this number. So, make sure po may regular load balance po yung SIM card. Continue. Then, yes, this is my number. Send SMS. Allow nyo lang po yan. Allow nyo lang ulit. Automatically po magsisend po yung phone natin to verify po sa application. Then, it will show do not switch apps. Wait nyo lang po, magbe-verify po siya. Ayan, successful. Then, now we need to activate your mobile key. So, ano po ba yung mobile key? Ito po yung mobile key po, hindi na po natin kailangan mag-OTP pag nagta-transfer tayo to GCash, to bank transfer, to paying your bills, ganyan po sa inyong online banking added security feature. So, kayo po yung pipili kung ano pong mobile key ninyo. 6 digits number po yan. Dapat kayo lang po yung nakakaalam niya. Isa pa po, 2 beses nyo ilalagay. Then, it will click OK. It will ask you for another OTP. This is the last OTP na kailangan yung gawin. And if you want to use your biometrics, you can just click yes. If not, don't use biometrics. Okay? Then, dito makikita ninyo your mobile key is successfully activated. I-X nyo lang po yun. Then, i-click nyo lang po dito. Then, click my accounts. Andito na po yung account number natin. Makikita nyo sa pinaka-screen. Okay?